On the morning of January 17th, the Standing Board of Cần Thơ Municipal Party Committee organized a conference for the criticism and self-criticism of its individual and collective members. Party Central Committee member, Secretary of the Municipal Party Committee Lê Quang Mạnh, Standing Vice Secretary Phạm Văn Hiếu, and Vice Secretary of the Municipal Party Committee Trần Việt Truong jointly chaired the function. In 2021, the Standing Board of Cần Thơ Municipal Party Committee has focused on leading and directing the grasping and organizing the implementation of the party's guidelines and policies and the state's legal policies. At the same time, directed all levels of party committees and party organizations to build programs and plans and propose solutions suitable to implementation situations, meeting the mission requirements of each unit, especially in the context of COVID-19 prevention and control. The Standing Board of the Municipal Party Committee also established a steering committee for the containment of the COVID-19 pandemic in the city and directly as well as comprehensively led and directed the work of pandemic control in the area. Pandemic prevention and control measures were developed appropriately for each phase, thereby effectively contributing to the city's implementation of the dual goal of COVID-19 containment and socio-economic recovery and development. As of now, COVID-19 pandemic situation in the city is basically under control, and 11 out of 19 resolution targets have been exceeded. The draft report also specified that with the drastic and frequent leadership and direction of the Standing Board of the Municipal Party Committee, the task of party building and political system building of the entire city continued to receive attention, achieving significant results and creating positive changes in the political system from city to grassroots levels. The awareness of most officials and party members was raised, internal unity was upheld, and democracy was promoted. The focus of leaders and managers at all levels of the city enhanced their responsibility and management capacity, renewed in terms of working style and strictly upheld party discipline. The collective of the Standing Board of the Municipal Party Committee has no manifestations of degradation in political ideology, morality and lifestyles, and self-evolution and self-transformation. Besides the achieved results, a number of limitations in the leadership in grasping and organizing the implementation of the party's guidelines and policies and the state's law and policies have been pointed out, such as certain party committees not paying adequate attention to the work of thoroughly grasping and organizing the implementation of the party's guidelines, the state's laws and policies, and the quality of attendance was not satisfactory. Or some advise and develop programs and plans to implement the directives and resolutions of the party and state were not close to the characteristic and task of the locality and the unit, among others. Members of the Standing Board focus on discussing the achieved results as well as shortcomings and propose ways to overcome limitations in the future.